Hello everyone, myself, yes, Vimal Justin, lecturer of Pharmaceutical College of Pharmacy. Today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic about impurities. Let's discuss about it as part 1 and part 2. Now, what are the contents we are going to talk about is introduction of impurities, source of impurities, type and types of impurities. Let's get into the introduction. What is impurities? A compound is said to be impure if it is having a foreign matter. Hence, any material that affects the purity of the material of interest, that is active ingredient or drug substance, is called impurity. Then, let's see about the commonly found impurities in medicinal preparations. First one is activity depressing impurity. Second one is impurities due to coloring or flavoring substances. Third one is impurities formed due to changes in humidity. Fourth one is impurities formed because of decrease in shelf life of the product. Fifth one is physical and chemical properties. Sixth one is impurities due to which substance become incompatible. Here we can see the flowchart of source of impurities. The type and amount of impurities present in the chemicals or pharmaceutical substances depends upon several factors. Some of which are raw materials, method of manufacturing, reaction vessel, intermediates, atmospheric contamination, manufacturing hazards, errors in manufacturing, errors in packaging, instability of products. Now let's discuss about the source of impurities. First of all, raw materials. The impurities already present in raw material may pass on to the final product via the manufacturing process. Hence, the final product can get contaminated with these impurities. For example, zinc sulfate is prepared by reacting either zinc oxide or zinc metal with sulfuric acid. Zinc metal and zinc oxide contains aluminum, copper, manganese, magnesium, nickel and Fe as impurities, and these impurities are likely to be carried in the manufacturing process in appreciable amount to the final product as zinc sulfate. Next, B. Method of manufacturing. The process or method of manufacturing may introduce new impurities into the final product arising due to contamination by reagents, catalysts and solvents employed. And subcategory of method of manufacturing is reagent employed in manufacturing process. Calcium carbonate contains soluble alkali as impurity, which arises from sodium carbonate employed in the process. Calcium carbonate is prepared by interaction of a soluble calcium salt with a soluble carbonate. Therefore, the final product is liable to contain small amount of soluble alkali as impurities, which cannot be removed by the washing the process. Second one, solvents. A small amount of solvents employed in preparations and purification of reaction intermediates or the final products may also be found in contamination of pharmaceutical substances. For example, water is the cheapest solvent and can be a major source of impurity. Various types of water which are available are as follows: tap water, softened water. And tap water, it contains impurities of calcium ions, magnesium ions, sodium ions, chloride ions, carbonate ions. The use of tap water on large scale can lead to contamination of final product. Softened water, it is almost free from divalent ions but contains more sodium and chloride ions as impurity. The final product obtained by using softened water can contain sodium and calcium as an impurity. Third one, demineralized water. It is prepared by means of ion exchange resins and is free from all kinds of ions. It may have pyrogens, bacteria and organic impurities. Fourth one, distilled water. It is free from all organic and inorganic impurities and it is hence the best solvent. Next, reaction vessel. The reaction vessel used in manufacturing process may be metallic such as copper, galvanized iron, glass and silica. Some reagents employed in the manufacturing process may react with the metal of reaction vessel, leading to the traces of metal impurities into the solution and finally contaminating the product. Glass vessels may give traces of alkali to the solvent strong as it leaches out alkali from borosilicate copper, and zinc react with slightly acidic substances. Thank you for watching this video. Next video we will discuss about the continuous about impurities and its sources.